wasn't, guys. But got. Oh, okay, look. Cut.
Okay,
Let's pretend that never happened. Welcome to the.
Cut.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Bird Show. And this is Luke, the male cockatiel, and
Jennifer.
And Jennifer, the female budgie. And together we're the Bird Show. This is Kingston, and I'm Eva.
Well, this is my YouTube channel.
And we're bear odors.
That was a good name.
We have lots of birds and we have lots of experience.
Sort of.
Sort of. As you can see, Jennifer's on my head.
And Eva does not.
Jennifer loves my head for some reason. I don't know why. She just loves everybody's heads in general.
Oh, sort of. Definitely not mine.
Luke loves your shoulders.
And nibble on your ears.
And nibbles on your ear or earrings.
Good girl.
I'm just going to grab Luke down for a minute.
Now, the cool thing about budgies is that they fly around and they're really
A lot.
like
Trust me, a lot.
watch.
3.
It's gonna go on Eva because of Luke.
This budgie loves Luke. This budgie is literally Luke's favouriteest friend.
Because that's the only birds we have. Why did you do that? That looks like a really bad bug. And it's creepy.
It does look like a bad bug. I'll show you. Kingston's going up there just to grab Jennifer. This looks like a bug. It's not, I promise. Luke is a beautiful bird. And we'll see you back at the station. Okay, so my brother's gonna grab Luke while Jennifer is on my head, so don't need to grab Jennifer. She keeps flying to my head. I do not know why. It's just maybe it's a safety thing. She has had a bloody nose, so that's why she's really conscious and probably flying around a lot.
That hurt. Have your bird back.
Luke,
Oh.
have your bad back.
Every bird hurts.
Okay, Luke is really like a. He's such a shoulder bird, and he also
And this is
like
such a head bird.
So we've got shoulder and head, and they're both lovely.
Let
me just-
This one's feisty, look.
This one is like Luke's a bit feisty, but look, she always comes back to my head. It's crazy.
And
Sometimes.
sometimes goes to the mirror. Like, annoyingly always. So I'm just gonna go get her. We'll be back at the station.
Yeah. And our birds, they eat pellets and seeds in a tin, a stainless steel tin, and this is what it looks like. We use the rainbow seeds. They're so cute. So, we'll see you guys later. Check out my brother's last videos.
They were pretty epic.
And yeah, we'll see you later.
Bye!